As an expert trainer, of course, I know there are challenges and barriers to teaching your team and actually getting them to do what you're asking or do it at a higher level. You have to constantly be creative. And I know time is also one of those things that is difficult. So in the creativity, for me specifically, yes, I'm rocking an LA Dodgers hat because I am SoCal born and bred. And the reason I did it is because I love sports. I love baseball and football specifically. So I constantly, if I find that I have a team that is very into sports, whatever city I'm in, then I will relate things and tasks to sports. I will talk about how they train, right? They practice, how they have to write things down to remember. They have to remember these plays. They work to be the best. So how can we relate that to what we do? How can I have to come up with what makes sense to them, because even if you say it over and over and over and are so exact and maybe even show them and give them an idea of what you're looking for, it still does not always take. So then you have to get real creative. So I'm always bringing my boys in blue around. What do you do